This is the Dark Angel Medical S.P.E.A.R kit, Special Purpose Emergency Aid Rig. We designed this over a period of 5 years so that we could get the best low-profile kit out there to give maximum protection for your tourniquets. In this kit, you can open it from either side, so it's deployable from either side. All you have to do is click on the Fastex buckle there, grab your red pull handle, and it pulls it right out of this, I like to call this the tourniquet garage. Now, the kit insert itself is a separate unit. This just houses it and protects it. On the back of it, you have Malice clips that can go through standard PALS webbing, and it also has a 2-inch belt channel, so this can fit standalone on a specific belt with up to a 2-inch width. This kit is made from Squadron Laminate material, so it's very durable, very tough, high strength material. To open the kit up, you see your tourniquet up here, so that's quickly accessible. You just pull it out of the little tube there, and this can fit the cat or the soft T. This comes standard with the cat. You can order the soft T as a substitute. And you grab your middle pull tab, pull up on it. All of your components are right here. Up top, we've got our 12-foot roll of quick clot bleeding control dressing. We've got a 12-foot roll of standard gauze. Here we've got a nasal airway. We've got a mini compression bandage, a Mylar blanket, a pair of gloves, and also a pair of hyphen vent compact chest seals. Small but capable. This is a very small kit, but it's very capable in as much as it's got so much trauma equipment in here as far as stopping the bleeding and starting the breathing and treating for shock. So check out the Dark Angel Medical S.P.E.A.R kit, Special Purpose Emergency Aid Rig, over at darkangelmedical.com, and get a kit, get trained, and be the difference.